How you guys doing, man? My name is Lennox Seaforth, and I'm a multi-platform production major here at Morgan State, and I'm a junior. Right now, what you guys about to witness right now is my latest work. It is called My Life Can Go at Any Minute. So I hope you guys enjoy and learn something. Thank you.
I remember when I was 13, man, I saw this guy, like he was he was coming down the street and he fell crawling to the floor with the blood just oozing out of him into the concrete, and he was breathing heavy, asking for help, and I was just stuck. I didn't know what to do at the time. Like I didn't know whether to help him or just run. Like I was really scared.
I remember when I was walking down the street to go to the corner store, and this guy walked into the store, came back out, and it was people just ran out of nowhere and just banked him. It was blood everywhere. He got up crippled, not crippled, but like stumbling, and it made me fear for my life as fast as it happened and all that. The guys that beat the dude, they all got in the car, drove towards me, pointed a gun. They said, if you say anything, I'll shoot you, come back and kill you and all that. That messed my head up for like a good couple of days, weeks. I didn't even tell my mother.
It really messed me up. I was scared to even go outside my neighborhood. Like I was the type of person to really stay in, because what if I was next? Like my life could be gone at any given moment.
Like what I want people to realize about this situation, life is not a game. It's not like Grand Theft Auto, you die and come back and you spawn. No, you get one chance and it takes literally a split second for you to be gone. Like, I want people to realize that every life on this planet has a reason and cause, and not for somebody to determine if they should live or not.
I want people to realize that this is real life. It's all fun and gang until you in a box and you on a t-shirt, yo.
What society can do to prevent, I think, is, for one, keep kids as kids. Don't tell them everything that goes on in your household. We can already sense it's a problem. And make sure you keep all the negativity and positivity, and know your kid, what your kids is doing, meet their friends.
I do believe that we should have more protests and more events for the kids, so they can realize that it's more to life than just hanging on a block. It's more to life than selling trees or selling rocks and stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's more to it. Give the people hope. You know what I'm saying? Because right now hope is lost.